Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
All right. Well, let's move on to the next one.
Are we now?
Uber's paying extra for delayed trips, but how much is it?
Now we're at Glitch Tuesday. Uber. From now all the way to the end almost, it's you. So check it out, Uber. So I got this. Do you see the trip's length in distance, Chris?
Oh yeah. So this is for those who are not being able to look at this. This is a trip, an UberX trip that came in. And just to put it in reference, this is in Miami. It's going on the outer island into downtown Miami. So you're crossing the bridge and you're going through the inland part. But yeah, essentially you are driving, and it took 2 hours and 30 minutes to drive just 6.99 miles. I'm assuming something happened on the bridge that slowed everything down.
It did.
But okay, go. What's the story then?
Okay, the story is when the ping came in, or do you see the upfront at 1707 or 1709,
Yes.
right? It was 6.99 miles for 24 minutes. So about 34 an active hour for Florida. That's great money. And then he took it. Well, they got on the road, and just like you said, on the bridge, somebody had died, so they closed. And by the time he got to his destination, it was 2 hours and 31 minutes for 6.99 miles, right? Oof. And then Uber said, with the up arrow, you earned more because the trip went longer. Cool, right? Well, look at the difference between the upfront fare and the final. $11.
$1 or $11.25.
$11.25. And the trip was supposed to take 24 minutes. It took 2 hours and 31 minutes. So the trip went literally 2 hours and 7 minutes over.
2 hours, you got paid $11.
Yeah, Uber.
Oh, cool.
This is exactly why there's no goodwill, Uber. This is exactly why. In what world, man? Even in India, I think you guys pay the drivers more. What the bullshit kind of thing is this? And this driver, of course, tried.
So that's 9 cents a minute.
How much?
Your time, 9 cents a minute.
What?
So your time, according to Uber, is worth 9 cents a minute.
How much is Dara's time's worth? Do you know?
Way more than that. But he should be
$900,
like a fraction. He should be paid like a fraction of a penny.
Well, he tried to get an adjustment through where, the black hole, and that did not go well. So he was like, Sergio, I'm so frustrated. Can you help me? I go, no, man, the trip is over. It's all good. There's not a thing I can do. I can talk about it. Don't show me the money, and Uber will watch it. And then maybe Uber send this guy like a 20 maybe or something, like out of the blue. Send him a little gift or something. Because Uber drivers are doing this for their riders. If it was for you, they wouldn't be doing this. You know what I mean? So 9 cents a minute, huh? Is that what we're worth? That's gross, by the way, not net. We're stuck we're burning gas.
Oh yeah, and I'm sure that the amount that they were burning during that time, they didn't make any money on that.
No, 2 hours and 31 minutes for $28. Come on now.
So it's quite crazy.
When you do take these trips on, folks, and something like this happens, and there was no tip, by the way, by that a-hole rider either. I mean, you spent 2.5 hours in this guy's car. He could have kicked you out, actually. But no tip either. So this driver was pissed, bro. I didn't put the
rightfully so
email up. Yeah.
But I want to know what you guys think. So put in the comments what you think when it comes to something like this.
Or have you run into this situation? Send me the
Yeah.
screenshots. If you took a trip that was way longer for road closure, whatever, inclement weather or whatever, and if Uber paid you 9 cents a minute, send me the screenshot.
Yeah, absolutely ridiculous at the amount that they're going to give you. 9 cents a minute extra. I mean, that's well beyond the driver's control. So it's not like he's trying to do anything there. I mean, that's the problem when it comes to these bridges. If something happens, you're stuck there.
Yeah, but nothing.
You're stuck there, and you don't know how much traffic's behind you. So if they do close the bridge because of whatever reason, then you're stuck there. If they're allowing backup, depending on where you are, I mean, that's a distance when it comes to going on to outer Miami versus like downtown Biscayne and all that. So yeah,
Chris,
quite crazy.
That's hell on earth. I mean, 6.9 miles, 7 miles in 2.5 hours. Holy shit.
I mean,
LA
and hey, if everything went well, that would have been a great paying trip.
Absolutely. It was $34 per active hour.
17 for just about 7 miles and 25 minutes.
Yeah, almost more than $2 a mile plus $35 active hour. Shit, I'll take it all day long. But then,
so unfortunately, sometimes you are going to get burned, and that is the problem that you have to pay attention to when it comes down to it. So, moral of the story is, sometimes you can't do anything about that because you don't know necessarily the conditions that are ahead, and you don't necessarily can get out of that. So it's a very unfortunate circumstance. This, I will say, is an edge case when it comes to what will happen. But the problem is 9 cents a minute is absolutely ridiculous.
Well, 1.4 million trips per hour. I think a lot of these probably are going on. I agree with that, Matt, but there's no rate card, so I don't know how they can do it. They just said you're worth 9 cents a minute and tacked it on. Anyway, so yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.